like a startling sign that fate had finally found me, and your voice was all I heard, that I get what I deserve. So give me reason to prove me wrong, to wash this memory clean. Let the thoughts cross the distance in your eyes. Give me reason to fill this hole, connect the space between. Let it be enough to reach the truth that lies across this new divide. There was nothing in sight but memories left abandoned. There was nowhere to hide, the ashes fell like snow, and the ground caved in between where we were standing, and your voice was all I heard, that I get what I deserve. So give me reason to prove me wrong, to wash this memory clean. Let the thoughts cross the distance in your eyes across this new divide. In every loss, in every lie, in every truth that you deny, and each regret and each goodbye was a mistake too great to hide, and your voice was all I heard, that I get what I deserve. So give me reason to prove me wrong, to wash this memory clean. Let the thoughts cross the distance in your eyes. Give me reason to fill this hole, connect the space between. Let it be enough to reach the truth that lies across this new divide. Across this new divide. Across this new
Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Killing in the name of what they told ya. And now you do 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 what they told ya. Those who died are justified for wearing the badge and your chosen white. You're justified. Those that died for wearing the badge and your chosen white. Those who died are justified for wearing the badge and your chosen white. You're justified. Those who died for wearing the badge and your chosen white. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Some of those that work forces are the same that burn crosses. Killing in the name of. Killing in the name of. Now you do what they told you. And 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 now you do what they told you. You're under control. And now you do what they told you. You're under control. And now you do what they told you. You're under control. And now you do what they told you. Now you're under control. And now you do what they told you. Now you're under control. And now you do what they told you. You're under control. And now you do what they told you. You're under control. And now you do what they told you. Those who died are justified for wearing the badge and your chosen white. You're justified. Those that died for wearing the badge and your chosen white. Those who died are justified for wearing the badge and your chosen white. You're justified. Those that died for wearing the badge and your chosen white. Come on.
a story to tell. Everyone knows about it. From the Queen of England to the hounds of hell. And if I catch it coming back my way, I'm gonna serve it to you. And that ain't what you want to hear, but that's what I'll do. And the feeling coming from my bones says find a home.
there, be fly. I pimp to the beat, walking down the street and my new the freak, yeah. This is how I roll, animal print pants out control. It's Red Bull with the big ass fro, and like Bruce Lee, I got the clout, yeah. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot. This is what I see. Everybody stops and is staring at me. I got passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it. Show it, show it, show it. I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. Yeah, when I'm at the mall, security just can't fight them all. And when I'm at the beach, I'm in a Speedo trying to tan my cheeks. But this is how I roll. Come on, ladies, it's time to go. We headed to the bar, baby, don't be nervous. No shoes, no shirt, and I still get service. Watch. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out when I walk in the spot. This is what I see. Everybody stops and is staring at me. I got passion in my pants and I ain't afraid to show it. Show it, show it, show it. I'm sexy and I know it. Aye. I'm sexy and I know it. Check it out. Check it out. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah. Wiggle, 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 yeah, yeah. Do the wiggle, man. I do the wiggle, man. Yeah. I'm sexy and I know it. Hey. Yeah. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. Girl, look at that body. I work out. I'm sexy and I know it.
Everybody get up.
through. I give you something big enough to tell your ass to. Swag on them even when you drag casual. I mean, it's almost unbearable. In 100 years, not there would I pull up on side, let you pay me back. Nothing like your leg guy, he too square for you. He don't smack that ass and pull your hair like that. So I jail watch and wait for you to salute and chew dip pimp. Not many women can refuse dip pimpin'. I'm a nice guy, but don't get it confused. Dip pimp.
Shake it out, get down, get up. Do it like it hurt, like it hurt. What you don't like work? Hey, baby, can you breathe? I got this from Jamaica. It always works for me. Dakota to Decatur.
No more pretending, cause now you're winning. Here's our beginning. I always wanted a good girl. I know you want it. I know you want it.
queres é aparecer, tu. Queres é que os jornalistas te tirem fotos, é o que tu queres, que andem atrás de ti. Sabes andar de bicicleta bem, podias muito bem trabalhar para os BTT e entregar cartas.
Stop. I feel your rain. How can I find love, faith, and trust inside of your rain? Oh, so unreal. Can't find another place of your rain.
Can't find another place of your rain.
I believe, I still believe in your warm rain.
I still believe.
So untrue, help me to find through your warm rain.
Help me to find through your warm rain. I laid out my wishes, you gave me promises. Why don't you feel?
I set you free like a little child.
I laid out my wishes, you gave me promises. Why don't you feel the
I
same?
set you free like a little child. Somebody left, there is no rain. Oh no, I'm waiting. How about your rain? How about your rain? I can't believe, I still believe in your
I still believe in your rain.
like in heaven. I can't wait until I feel your rain.
Until I feel your rain.
So where's your life? Who's living the rest of your life? I can't live this life. I can't live this life.
I can see in your eyes, can't change it, no more try. Leave everyone with
I'm sad, I feel like a little child.
I can see in your eyes, can't change it, no more try. Leave everyone with
And you said you feel like a little child. Somebody said there is no rain. And you set me free. Oh, babe. And you said you feel like a little child.
I laid out my wishes, you gave me promises. Why don't you?
And you said you feel like a little child. Somebody said there is no rain.
Do you know what's worth fighting for when it's not worth dying for? Does it take your breath away and you feel yourself suffocating? Does the pain weigh out the pride? And you look for a place to hide. Did someone break your heart inside? You're in ruins. 121 guns. Lay down your arms.
mas é fazer qualquer coisa de útil para a sociedade. Andar de bicicleta. Queres é aparecer, tu? Queres é que os jornalistas tirem fotos, é o que tu queres, que andem atrás de ti. Sabes andar de bicicleta, vai pedir muito bem trabalhar para o CTT, entregar cartas. Agora é andar de bicho de medalhas. Tenho medalhas, eu sou o maior, tenho medalhas para Portugal. Também sou português, que é que não me dás uma medalha a mim? Se andas a ganhar medalhas para os portugueses, porque és lambona. Sei andar de bicicleta e nadar e correr. Isso é o que as pessoas fazem ao fim de semana para se cansarem. Isso tem um nome, minha menina, chama-se preguiça.